When it comes to pickup trucks that have built a legendary reputation for durability, power, and unstoppable capability, few vehicles command as much respect as the Toyota Hilux. For decades, this truck has been known as one of the toughest machines ever built, trusted by farmers, adventurers, construction workers, and off-road enthusiasts around the world. Now the 2025 Toyota Hilux arrives with bold upgrades, smarter technology, and even more muscle, proving once again why this pickup dominates some of the harshest terrains on Earth. At first glance, the 2025 Hilux looks more aggressive and confident than ever. The front design has been sharpened with a bolder grille, redesigned LED headlights, and a tougher stance that immediately signals strength and capability. Toyota didn't just update the appearance for style. The new design improves aerodynamics and road presence, making the truck look more modern while still maintaining its classic rugged personality. This balance between toughness and modern design is exactly what Hilux fans expect. But the real story of the 2025 Hilux begins under the hood. Power comes from a proven 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering around 150 kilowatts, about 204 horsepower, and up to 500 Newton-meters of torque when paired with the automatic transmission. This kind of torque is exactly what pickup drivers want because it provides strong pulling power, effortless highway performance, and the ability to tow heavy loads with confidence. Manual versions still offer impressive torque as well, making the truck capable whether you're hauling equipment or heading deep into the wilderness. Auto Evolution +1. Toyota has also introduced a 48-volt mild hybrid system on some versions of the Hilux. This system adds an electric motor generator that assists the diesel engine during acceleration and improves fuel efficiency while making stop-start driving smoother. The electrified support may sound small on paper, but it significantly improves everyday driving comfort while keeping the truck ready for tough jobs. Toyota Media Site. Of course, power alone doesn't make a pickup legendary. The Hilux has always been famous for its unstoppable off-road capability, and the 2025 model takes things even further. Four-wheel drive versions feature a part-time 4x4 system with high and low ranges, allowing the truck to handle mud, sand, rocks, and steep climbs with ease. Toyota also includes a rear-locking differential and multi-terrain select system, giving drivers several terrain modes designed to optimize traction depending on conditions. Whether you're crossing rocky trails, climbing steep hills, or driving through deep sand, the Hilux adapts instantly. Toyota Australia +1. Durability is another area where this pickup shines. The 2025 model strengthens its ladder frame structure with additional weld points and improved chassis rigidity, helping the truck stay stable even under heavy loads or rough terrain. Toyota also refined the suspension with different setups depending on the trim level, some tuned for heavy-duty work and towing, others optimized for smoother everyday driving. This means the Hilux can function both as a serious work truck and a comfortable daily driver. Go Auto. Toyota Australia. Inside the cabin, the Hilux has evolved significantly compared to earlier generations. The interior now combines durability with modern technology. Drivers get a redesigned steering wheel with integrated controls, an improved infotainment system, and support for smartphone connectivity. Safety has also taken a big leap forward thanks to Toyota's advanced driver assistance technology. The 2025 Hilux includes a comprehensive suite of safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, road sign recognition, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. These features transform the Hilux from a purely rugged work truck into a modern vehicle capable of long highway drives with greater confidence and safety. Auto Evolution. One of the biggest strengths of the Hilux is its incredible versatility. This pickup can carry payloads of up to 1 ton and tow trailers weighing up to 3,500 kilograms, making it ideal for construction, agriculture, and adventure travel alike. Whether you need to haul tools to a job site or tow a boat for a weekend getaway, the Hilux handles the task without hesitation. Toyota Media Site. Toyota's engineers also focused on improving comfort and refinement. New engine mounts, improved cabin mounts, and updated suspension components reduce vibration and noise, making the driving experience smoother and quieter than before. That means you can drive long distances without feeling like you're in a rough work vehicle, something older pickup trucks struggled with. Toyota Australia +1. Despite all these modern upgrades, the Hilux hasn't forgotten what made it famous in the first place, its unstoppable reliability. Since its debut in 1968, this pickup has earned a reputation for surviving the harshest environments imaginable, from icy Arctic expeditions to desert racing events. That legendary toughness continues to define the 2025 model. Toyota Media Site, so why does the 2025 Hilux feel scarier than ever? Because it combines brute strength with modern technology, advanced safety, electrified efficiency, and extreme off-road capability. It's not just a work truck anymore, it's a fully evolved adventure machine ready to conquer any terrain. For drivers who demand durability, power, and reliability in one unstoppable package, the 2025 Toyota Hilux proves that the legend is far from over. In fact, with its new upgrades and smarter engineering, this iconic pickup may just be entering its most powerful era yet.